In my last video, I showed you all of the great new things in UserTesting's January release, except for one, the coolest thing that UserTesting has released in years, and I do not say that lightly. It has everything to do with the brand new Insights Hub and a great amount of AI that has gone into the ability to find insights quickly to be able to act on them. Check it out. Here we are at the user testing dashboard. Over on the left side of the screen, you're going to see in the navigation this new Insights Hub area, which comes with Insights Discovery, a reporting area, highlight reels have now been merged into this, and data. Data is data integrations. Now I'm going to click on this. This information is synthesized from the integrations. I'm just going to click on Add Integration. Look at this. User testing only has 2 integrations right now, but many more to come. If you're familiar with EnjoyHQ, you should kind of have an idea what to expect. But right here, we're starting with the App Store reviews from the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store. So any new reviews that come in, it is synthesizing it into themes. Just like in surveys, user testing takes the information from the reviews, the raw information, and synthesizes it into themes. We're going to go to reports. Reports is a place where you can go ahead and you can actually make reports. These reports can be made up of one or more studies. They can be made up of things outside of studies. I'm just going to click into a sample report here just to give you a little flavor for it. You can see this is a WYSIWYG editor. You can edit it, you can format it, you can bold, highlight, headings, subheadings, line dividers. Coming down, you can actually paste in the QX score. You can paste in a video. All the different elements of things you might want to share as part of a report, you can share. You've got your copy link up here. You can enter a presenter mode, which is going to take you very much like when you're doing a slide presentation. It takes you into a full screen mode to present. You have the ability to change permissions on this. You can make it a private report for the time being. So you and the creators are the only ones who can actually view it and or edit it, or you can open it up to anyone for viewing, but only creators can edit it. And something that you should know, when you copy the link and give it out, you do need to be a viewer at a minimum to see this report. This leaves the one thing that I have been absolutely dying to show everybody. It is the Insights Discovery. Now, Insights Discovery is an AI style prompt that allows you to simply query your workspace, query your account, find out information that maybe you didn't even know was out there. Watch how it works. I click on Insights Discovery, and you're going to see I get this AI Insights Discovery chat prompt. So I'm of course going to ask a question about Hertz. What are the biggest pain points on the Hertz website? I can go ahead and focus this down by time, or I can even put in a particular test. I could just search for the word Hertz, and I've got an option that pops up. I can actually select this if I just want to search for one single study, but I'm just going to see what does the system know overall. This can take up to 30 seconds to actually deliver the results. And right here you can see the answer. Based on the provided data, the biggest pain points on the Hertz website appear to be confusing and difficult website navigation and account management, with some options here, some specifics, lack of clear pricing and comparison information, overwhelming and cluttered website design, website and app performance issues. So you have 4 high-level areas with lots of specific detail. Here's an example of cluttered web design. Participants reported a generally negative experience with the website, citing issues like the page feeling stressful and the website being slow to load. So that's really interesting. Comes across as in your face, too many options and technical details under each main section. So that is great insight that it is drawing on from for that particular option. And you can come down here, you can say, was it helpful or not? And there's always the option to copy the information from this particular insight. Now, just below it, you're going to see it's given me 3 follow-up questions. This is so cool. How can Hertz improve the website navigation and account management experiences for users? What can Hertz do to provide more transparent and accessible pricing? How can Hertz simplify and streamline the design? Well, since we just were talking about the cluttered option, let's click this one. And it is, you see it's automatically searching when I clicked on it, and it's going to go out and find these follow-up answers. Answers are here. Based on the provided data, it appears that Hertz could simplify and streamline the design of their website to make it less overwhelming for users. The key suggestions include simplify the website design and layout, and it gives some options here. Improve the organization and navigation of the website. Here we've got some clear visual cues, better categorization, and some streamlining of the homepage, etc. And then more follow-up questions. This is like having a research assistant sitting with you right at your desk. So many great opportunities to find out new things about our customers, our competitors, our distributors. It's all there in Insights Discovery at your fingertips. Just type a question and you're going to find some answers. That's going to be it for now, but don't worry, I'll be back again soon. Until then, I will see you later.